Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 17 for the step-by-step guide to learn Angular. So if you are directly coming to this video, I will recommend you to watch previous video first and then you can come to this video. These are the topics we are going to cover in this complete video series, and this is the application we are going to develop in this video series. So this is our registration form we developed in the previous video, and still one validation is pending. Like email already exists, we are still having a static list of record, so it's only validating this particular email. Like if I'm adding Dubey Tapan 12@gmail.com, so I'm getting the email already exists because let's open our Visual Code, and here in the service list we have hard coded this email ID. So in this video we are going to call our service and get the actual list from API and validate from API. So let's start. So this is our API, and we have this get method which is returning the list of user details. But I don't want to expose this method because it's returning complete details, and in the upcoming videos we will add some authorization in that method. So what I want is I want to create one more method which returns the list of emails. So let's quickly copy this method because that will also be a get method, and paste it here. And return type will not be a user details, it will be a string array. So let's add a string array here, and name will be get user emails. And here I am going to add one select statement. So like select, and inside that I am going to write this lambda expression u dot. We can see all the properties. So I am going to use email, and it will not be a list, so it should be array. So we are having two array async. And now let's define a route. So our API route is API then controller name. So here let's add same route attribute. So route, and inside that what it should be user emails. So I'm giving as a string user emails, and let's run our application. So this is an endpoint for getting all the user details, and uh, URL is API then controller name. So our new endpoint should have user emails after that. So let's add that and see if we are getting the list or not. So yeah, we are getting all the emails. So let's use this endpoint in our UI. So this is our UI application, and here we are returning the hard-coded string array. So now let's change this to for that what we have to use. Yeah, correct. We have to use that HTTP client. So let's remove this, and I'm going to use this dot HTTP client. And here it is a generic type. So sorry, it is having multiple methods for get, put, and post. So what we are going to use? Get, yes, and this get is a generic type method. We can define the return type. So what is a return type? It's a string array. And here we can see we can pass the URL. So what is our API URL? We can check that in the browser. So let's open the browser window, copy this URL, and paste it here. And that's all. Let's save this, and let's verify our API changes. So now in the email we are having this t@g.com. So let me add same email again. So yeah, I'm getting email already exists message. Let's check for one more, like manish@gmail.com. So let's copy these, go back to our UI and give me same email. So I'm getting message email already exists. So let's give something else, manish12@gmail.com. So yeah, it's allowing me to add that email. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will read our API URL from environment file instead of hard coding that URL. Thank you for watching.